Welcome to our guide on understanding the differences between quotes, estimates, bids, and proposals. Let's clear up the confusion. First up, we have quotes. A quote is a firm offer to sell goods or services at a specific price. This is used in the retail and service industries. It can even be legally binding once accepted. Moving on to estimates. Estimates are rough calculations of project costs. They're often used in construction and service businesses. Keep in mind that estimates are not legally binding, they can change. Next comes bids. Bids are formal proposals submitted in response to a request. Commonly seen in government contracts and public projects. Bids become binding once accepted as per the terms. And finally, proposals. Proposals are detailed plans or solutions for a project. They're often used in business and consulting. Whether they are binding or not depends on the terms agreed upon. But there's a solution that makes managing all these easier, that is, Invoicera. With Invoicera, you can effortlessly create quotes, estimates, bids, and proposals while efficiently managing your finances. Choose Invoicera for seamless invoicing and more. Try for free now.